Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into CIBC's mobile banking service. So if you're wondering how you can make different forms of transactions, transfer your account, or do different forms of other financial activities on your mobile app, I'm going to show you by logging into the account. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the CIBC mobile banking app on your device, and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, you will now land on an interface that looks like this, where you'll have to enter your card number over here and then enter your password over here. After doing so, tap on the sign on button and then you'll get logged into your account. You can also tap on remember my card so that you don't have to enter the card's credential every single time that you're trying to log into your account. So this is basically how it works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you enrolled yourself by watching this video, do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.